In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and manage your Google Drive for Desktop folder on your PC so your files appear and can be synced just like local folders in File Explorer. This can be a game changer for those who want easy access to their files without having to juggle between multiple platforms. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you need to download and install Google Drive for Desktop. To do this on Windows, you'll want to navigate to the Download Drive for Desktop page. Once you're there, simply follow the on-screen instructions to get the application installed on your PC. It's a straightforward process, but if you run into any issues, make sure to double-check that your system meets the necessary requirements for installation. After successfully installing the application, the next step is to sign in using your Google account. This is crucial because it allows the Drive for Desktop app to sync with your online Google Drive, ensuring that any changes made are reflected both on your PC and in your cloud storage. Now, you have a couple of options on how you'd like to access your Drive files. You can streamline this process by choosing one of two different methods to manage your files. The first option is to stream files. With this option, files will appear in your File Explorer, but they will only download to your PC when you open them. This is a fantastic way to save space on your local disk, especially if you have a lot of files stored in the cloud. The second option is to mirror files. This means all your files will be stored on both your local machine and in the cloud. It's an excellent choice if you need consistent offline access to your documents. Consider your storage capacity and internet reliability when making this choice. Both options offer unique advantages. With the application now set up, you should see a new entry called Google Drive or My Drive in File Explorer. This typically appears either as a virtual drive letter in the left pane or under the category This PC. This makes navigating to your Google Drive files as easy as accessing any other local folder. If you want to sync specific folders from your PC to your Drive, you'll need to tweak a few settings. Open the Preferences or Settings in the Drive for Desktop application and navigate to the section labeled Folders from your computer. Here, you can choose specific folders from your PC that you'd like to back up to your Google Drive. This option is particularly useful if you frequently update certain folders and require them to be readily available on any device. And there you have it. You're now set up to view and manage your Google Drive for Desktop folder seamlessly through File Explorer. Remember, choosing the right syncing method to suit your needs will make a world of difference in how you access and manage your files. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.